just the unsung greatest part about being in this industry. We needed a beer fridge.
I had one beer, right? I had one beer.
Just got paid $155 to grab this sucker, and it works. Episode of the Quit Your Job series. Starting off with something kind of different, but a huge fun thing about the junk removal side. I was able to get some products on some junk removal jobs that people were throwing away and just turn around and sell them right on Facebook Marketplace. So that's pretty cool. That's a kind of unsung part of junk removal. I know there's a lot of YouTube channels where people like flip stuff, but junk removal and flipping kind of go hand in hand. So it makes sense. I'm also gonna show you guys my favorite part. Basically, my entire backyard is furnished compliments of junk removal. So, without further ado, let's go. This is a outdoor sectional that I got from a junk job. It's like a wicker set. I would imagine this was pretty expensive. It looks like the ones from Costco. I'm not sure, but that was from a junk job. And then, and it has the matching chair. And then that table I bought, unfortunately. This is a really dusty, dirty, because we just had a sandstorm, but like an outdoor monster table that can be converted to a pool table with a top. Hey, can you guys relax? Can you guys relax? Hey, Petey, Stella, relax. And then it has a ping pong table attachment too. So that was also from a junk job. These two, excuse my sandals squeaking. These two pool chairs, you guessed it, nice little, I don't know if that's wicker, junk job. What else? That basketball, junk job. Oh, all these pillows that I made as a bed for my dog. Seriously, this is her outdoor bed. This is the Italian Greyhound's outdoor bed. Stella, come here, come here. Stella, come show everybody your trick, come here. Stella, come, up. Oh. That's the wrong dog. Stella, come here. Stella, come. Why are you being shy? Stella, come here. Come here, Stella. Come here. Come here. Show everybody your trick. Show everybody your trick. Go up here. Yeah, there it is. You sit. Ah, good. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Hello. Well, yep, so I made this, we made this bed for her. Compliments of the pillows that came with this and this little outdoor plant thing, junk job. She loves it. This is a fridge, compliments of a junk job today. Like I literally just got that fridge. Awesome. These are some monster lazy boy recliners. Junk job. Yep. So those are from a junk job. Pretty sweet. Now check out this highlight reel of all the different junk removal jobs that I've converted into flips. I'm telling you guys, some of the stuff that I grab is pretty good. Like this gray chair and that gray couch was probably the nicest thing I've gotten thus far. Sold that one for 210 bucks. Sold that basketball hoop for $90 plus $15 for delivery. I sold that couch for $150 the next day I got it. And then I've still got these bookshelves up for sale on there. I've got a nightstand for sale. I've got a red lazy boy recliner for sale. All right, pop the trailer off for a little sale. Got this in the junk removal job yesterday. Selling today. 150. Every time you strap up, you gotta do that. And you gotta stay, oh, that's not going anywhere. I'm getting paid more to sell this couch that I got from a junk removal job than I got paid to do the junk removal job, which is kind of cool.
You smell that? What is that? What?
What's that smell?
The cologne?
No.
Opportunity.
No. Money.
Oh, okay.
I smell money.
Okay.
But the crazy thing about the flipping as I look back on the last couple months is like, it hasn't been a huge portion of revenue for the company, but that's because a lot of the really nice stuff I just kept. Like that outdoor table that had all the dust on it outside is really quality. It's a ping pong table, I just have to get it set up. And then that patio furniture I have for my backyard is way nicer than anything I would ever buy for myself. Even though my dogs are trashing it with that dirt yard. They get in the pool, and then they get in the yard, in the dirt, and then they get back in the pool, and then they get back in the dirt.
Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap.
They dirty up all the furniture, but aside from that, it's still incredibly nice. Going along with the theme of this week's episode, check out this job. I don't really know what this job's gonna have either. It was pretty vague in the Thumbtack booking, but you know, we're gonna go out there and we're gonna give it our all. Beautiful homes out here, holy cow. It's a great place to raise a family of dogs. This neighborhood's really cute. All of the street names are after zodiac signs. That was Virgo Street. I'm turning onto Capricorn Street.
No.
Sagittarius?
No.
Gregarious?
Gregarious?
Aquarius?
No.
Wow, these are beautiful homes. Look at these things. Great shrubs. Great shrubbery. Now I'm back in the office to show off this get to you guys. Our Lord and Savior Ty Lopez would be proud.
You know what I like more than flying in a private jet like this? My books.
I read 35,000 books a day, and that's how I get the edge of my competition. While they sleep, I read. While they I read. While they hang out with loved ones, I read. This was from Sunday. Just a bunch of financial and self-help books. Thought I'd throw you guys a little bit of a curveball this week and talk a little bit more about, you know, the flipping side of things and do a little less of the job site highlights. I'm about to invest in a GoPro though, so I'll have better footage from the job sites in the coming videos. I'm gonna get the one with a little like chest strap, so that should work well. But with that being said, let's talk about the numbers for this week. They were very good. People keep asking me, how good are your numbers? And I say, they're pretty good. Last week was pretty good. A big portion of the success I think that we had from a number standpoint really comes from the fact that we had a nice combo of like those quick hitter, easy $100 something jobs, and then some other $300, $400, $500 jobs mixed in as well. And that really helps. The quick hitters are nice because they're not as hard on my back and my body, but then you supplement those with the big guys that you can allocate a few hours to, and it really starts to add up. So with that being said, this week we had a revenue total of $2,797, and we had expenses of $1,013.58. Now the expenses should have been lower, but for the second straight week, I've had to replace a flat tire on the trailer because I run over a nail at the dump every other day, it seems like.
Someone help me! I have a flat tire!
And then a few other just various expenses that aren't typically there. So that leaves us with a profit on the week of $1,783.42, which I'm okay with. I'm pleased with it. It's better than last week and it's better than the week before that. But I still just think that I still just want the phone to ring a little more. I think I could do probably double the amount of jobs I'm doing right now with just like a little bit more business coming in. But I'm happy with the growth. I'm hoping that it keeps going through summer when it gets hotter here. I'm hoping that people don't get super lazy in the summertime because it's so hot here that a lot of people don't do work in their yard, don't even like to leave their houses. I don't foresee there being that much of a slowdown, or it could actually be the literal opposite, where stuff that people might have done themselves, they end up calling us because it's so hot out there they don't even want to go out there. That would be huge. But keep in mind, I've never done this for a full year. I haven't even done this for half a year. So I don't really know what to expect. But also, we just hit a huge milestone on the channel. We just hit our 2,000th view. And obviously in the grand scheme of YouTube, that's very small potatoes numbers wise. But for me and this channel, starting it from scratch, it's really not. That's a big milestone for me. Even 100 views on something was a big milestone for me. So I really appreciate everybody tuning in. So with that being said, make sure you do these 3 things if you're a real one. Number 1, like the video. 2, comment below. 3, let me know what book of that pile I should start with. I'm thinking about starting with that Jocko Willenick book. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but let me know. And as always, if you're not subscribed, subscribe.